How to use saved audio on Instagram on Story. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. Now you want to tap on the Wheels tab. From here, you want to find the audio that you want to save, then tap on that. Now you want to tap on the save icon over here. Once you have saved the audio, head back. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Story and click a picture or record a video. Now you want to tap on this sticker icon. From here, select Music. Here you will have 3 tabs: For You, Trending, and Saved. Go ahead and tap on the Saved option. Now the audio that you have saved will be shown over here, so go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on this arrow icon. Now you can make some adjustments over here. Once that is done, tap on the Done option. Now go ahead and tap on Your Story, and in this way you can use saved audio on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.